Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Voices of Vertoz, a podcast where we dive deep into the heart of Vertoz and interact with the employees who are the backbone of the Vertoz family. I am Miss Anisha Singh. Today, I am here interacting with Mr. Balakrishnan Iyer, the business head of Ad Exchange and DSP at Vertoz. Hello, sir. Thank you so much for giving us the time to interact.
Thank you so much, Anisha, for the kind introduction.
Sir, to begin with, can you please tell us about your journey in the advertisement space and how did you become the business head at Vertoz?
Uh, sure. So, how I've become business head? Definitely, it's been 11 years now. I'm working and still counting. So, definitely the perseverance and the adaptability which come across in the last 11 years. Definitely, it was challenging and entertaining equally for me. So, And when it comes to my initial background, definitely before this 11 years, I was working for BPO industry for 5 years, where I was into client servicing. So customer solutions, solving the disputes, everything was all on point for me when it comes to interacting with customers or managing their disputes or queries. So when I joined Vertos, the only initial challenges I was facing was the dynamic advertising. Like it's very dynamic when it
Yeah,
comes to policies or in terms of advertisers' requirement or customers' requirement.
it was an
So
entirely
definitely new
new
for me,
sector that
and
you had.
even the company was very new. So it was
Huh.
like only 1 year. Company basically started in 2012, and I joined in 2013.
Okay.
So they were also being established at the same time when I was new.
Yeah.
But my boss definitely helped me a lot. Gaurav, he was well experienced even before Vertos.
Okay.
So he was the one who introduced everything here, and so he taught me well. I got good mentors. Khushbu Kose is still working and still mentoring me in somewhat way. So definitely, I got good mentors and teachers who taught me how to manage it in terms of technicalities, to understand technicalities, along with the handling the clients and the product, what the product is basically. So yeah, it's an overall 11 years journey where I'm learning and understanding still new things because as I said, every time there is a new update comes from the in the advertising
Yeah.
space. So we have to cope up with that and keep ourselves like prepped for the same.
So I think 11 years is quite long.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for sharing the journey with us. To move on, the next question that I have is media buying has evolved drastically with the rise of programmatic advertisement. So, how has that impacted the traditional methods of advertisement? If you could just.
I wouldn't say impacted in that way. Definitely, it has been evolved or improved rather.
Okay.
So traditional method has their own limitations when it comes to comparing to the programmatic advertising, especially since we are coming up with that topic.
Yeah.
Programmatic advertising made the of ease for the advertisers and publishers to basically publishers are those who are having their own websites or apps or any kind of user creation tool.
Okay.
So that helped, like for programmatic advertising, helped such publishers to monetize their inventory, okay, with more ease and with more kind of funnel. Similarly, on the other hand, when it comes to advertiser, earlier if I want to promote any kind of particular product or any kind of I want to enhance my brand awareness across the audiences, it takes a lot for the salespeople to reach multiple channels to promote their thing.
Yeah.
At the moment, it's like a one-stop shop.
Huh.
Okay, basically you're getting in a store where you're getting everything from starting from grocery to fashion to apparels. Similarly,
Everything is available.
yeah. So similarly into program advertising, you have to just target what exactly your requirement. If I'm promoting any kind of shoe brand, I have to just select the demographic, the age group I want to target, the region I want to target, the category. Okay, so basically I can just be relevant to what exactly I want to cover the
Target or.
audiences,
Huh.
and I can just show the ads typically to them. So it is effective and economic at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, and much easier compared to traditional methods, and it's more result oriented rather.
So I mean, so with programmatic advertising, in simple words, we can say it has only helped make advertisement sector
Yes.
further more matlab, impactful,
Definitely,
and
yes.
promoting the brand has become far more easier.
Programmatic advertising, in a way, we can say helped to get more budgets from the advertisers. That is the like a very basic and major goal every advertising space is at the moment.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that is the thing. So more money and more business, more
Any day is good.
anytime is good for everybody.
Yeah. Yes. So thank you. I mean, you broke this down. I'm pretty sure our audience, whenever they hear this, so they would be able to also understand it further. So we talked about media buying and programmatic advertisement. So ad exchange is also an integral part of it, right? And it plays a very crucial role in the advertisement ecosystem. So would you also be able to help, give us a brief or a breakdown about it, and how does it benefit both advertisers and publishers?
Okay, so as I said, this program ad exchange is one of the type of programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising is a very vast concept where it comes like a private marketplace, preferred deal, programmatic guarantee, and real-time bidding. So when it comes to real-time bidding, it's an auction type. It's an open auction where as an advertiser, I'm looking for such any kind of particular users. I have an ad. I'll just send the ad response to the vendor.
Okay.
If he has the if he has the space available on his website or app, he will reply back or he will respond back. Okay. So this is everything happens real time and very much in 2 milliseconds. This worked for advertisers to win the clicks or impressions or the eyeball of the user at the very lower rate. Okay, comparatively. Supposedly, if I'm fixing a deal for 1 rupee and maybe the real rate is 50 paise, but when it comes to real time auction, you can maybe win it on the very lower rate as well, at the lowest price as well. So it becomes very profitable for advertisers. Similar, on the same time, for publishers, they can able to monetize as much as space they have available at that particular moment or for that particular day. So that helped on the both the sides. Again, we as a network or we as an ad exchange platform helped advertisers and publishers on both the sides for all kind of requirements they have. Okay, so it's basically a marketplace where advertiser is coming up with their requirements and publisher coming up with their demands, with what kind of requirement they have. And we are just trying to meeting up with both their needs and fulfilling the end-to-end goal or end-to-end requirement, and also ensuring relevant targeting and maximum audience reach.
Okay.
So ad exchange helps in a way where it works as a marketplace or it works as a platform where both the parties can come and share the bid or share the requirements and get the perfect or right match for them.
Okay.
In a simple language.
Yeah, thank you. That clarified it further.
Rather getting into more technical.
Yeah. So finally, the last question: what advice would you give to a 20-year-old or a 23, 25-year-old person entering the advertisement market? How he or she should, build his or her career?
Welcome is the word. Yeah, definitely they are welcome on the advertising space. One of the booming industry.
Yeah.
Okay. So and if you see the last 10 years graph, I would say almost more than 100% of growth advertising has seen. Okay. Where every other industry is like in the verge of survival, we are growing.
Yeah.
And again, everything is online now. Yeah. Even with the job they are searching is online.
Yes.
So that's the simple answer for themselves, that everything is on the computer, mobile, and that's what we do. That's the business is all about.
Yeah. Very nice answer. Very nice response.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much, sir. It was lovely chatting with you. It was very insightful. And I'm pretty sure everyone's going to learn a lot from this conversation. So thank you again. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.